Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So here we are at our latest project. We're just about to go into 2024. This is going to be our last big project for the year. It's a native garden here in Torrance, California. Now, a lot of questions come up. We get a lot of questions about how do you irrigate natives. Well, how does nature irrigate natives? When it rains, it covers the whole area. It's not like we did with drip irrigation back in the 70s and 80s where we were putting one little emitter and your plants would turn out gross and deformed. We learned over the decades that the plants like their whole soil profile wet. So what we learned is we need to start out with a great system. Great landscapes only come from great irrigation. That's the lifeblood of a great landscape. And so what we start out with is the Rainbird. Here's the Rainbird timer. It's called an ESP because it reads your mind. Just kidding. It's extra simple program. Even better. So we've got that. This is a rain sensor. So this is actually wireless. So it's connected to a rain sensor that's connected to the roof. That's on the roof. And then let's just take a look at how drip irrigation is done right. We were at a job where we tore out a bunch of drip a couple of days ago in Redondo Beach, and there was just all these circles and confusion. It's like, no, you want to build a grid. And so here you have it. This is drip irrigation done right, done properly. It's got the, you see it's got about every 12 inches. So there's a built-in emitter every 12 inches into the drip. And so there's something called capillary action, like when you attach a napkin to a water spot, it soaks up the water. The soil's a big sponge, and so you just put the water out there at a slow pace, it slowly filters, and so every 12 inches, it only needs to travel 6 inches, one emitter to the other, and the whole soil profile gets wet. So it's a great way to water native plants. It seems like that's the way society is going with landscaping. So I highly encourage you to and recommend that in the old days, we actually used to tell people, I'm talking 1980s, we used to tell people just water your natives once in a while. Not so. I think the global climate change is happening, and so you really do need an irrigation system. If you do, I recommend the Rainbird system. If you use their valves, their timers, and their drip, they, instead of a 2-year warranty, they give you a 5-year warranty. I mean, it's just the best in the industry. Okay, enough of that. So, Mike with Enviroscape LA. For more information, look at our other YouTube videos on the Enviroscape LA channel. Subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.